Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys on how to set up this Ring Video Doorbell 2 wire-free video doorbell. So I fully charged this battery pack already, and it comes with this charging adapter or charging cable. So first of all, let's go ahead and insert this into the Ring unit. Come with this two screws. So let's go ahead and insert this in there, and you will put this cover. So you see there's a clip right here, nice slanting angle to this hole right there. Well, we're not going to cover that for now because I'm just kind of demonstrate for you guys real quick. And this is where you screw this screw, one of those screw in there. I guess the other one just will back up in case you guys lose it. And there's a screw hole right there on the battery itself. Okay. So first of all, you need to go and then get your smartphone. I got my Samsung J7 smartphone right here. I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully, it recognizes my face recognition. There you go. I'm kind of surprised that this Samsung J7. I only paid $79.99, and it's act like a flagship device. So let's go to your Google Play Store right there, and you're gonna download Ring app. Just type in a Ring, and that's the first one right there. Ring Away Home right here. You need to click on that and then install. Continue. I'm gonna skip that. So just let it finish installing, and then after that we'll come back and then open the app. So there is this setup button right here on the Ring that we're gonna push it later. So some of the review is kind of bad. It's only got like 3.3. I think a lot of customer or user complain about there's a lagging or delay. So I'm not sure why it's take that long to install. I'm not uploading anything to my YouTube right now, so maybe just AT&T slow. So if you don't wire this hardwire to your doorbell or existing AC doorbell button, then it will not chime throughout your home. It will only chime to your device. Okay. If you don't pay for the subscription, or if you pay for one subscription, you only ring to that particular device, unless you pay like $100 a month or something for unlimited device. So it's kind of dumb. You're gonna pay that much. So click on open. So I guess I need to create an account, to log in. So I'm gonna go ahead and then do that then, and I'll be back. All right. So after I enter my email, my address, and then everything and locations, I'm gonna click on set up a device, and I'm gonna set up the doorbells. Okay. So you gotta click on allow. So I'm gonna scan the code. Let's see, where's the code at? Right here. Just gonna scan it. Allow Ring to access this device location. Allow. And then after that, you can select front door, back door, office, or custom. I'm gonna hit the front door. So now it tells you to take out the faceplate and insert the removable battery. And then continue. And then press and release a small button where it says setup button right here. I'm not sure if this unit is defective or what. There's some kind of loose connection or what is going on. It says it's not talking. So that means I gotta set up the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and then set up my Wi-Fi. Let me type in my password. All right, so now it's syncing. I got the blue light restoring your phone internet connection. Your congratulations, setup is complete. So that's all you need to do. Let's see if we can view something. And it says if you would like to grant friends or family access to your Ring video door to enter their email address below. Just put my Y just in case. Alright, so it says ready to install Ring Doorbell 2 now. So it wants you to watch a video and how to set this up. I'm gonna click on skip. Let's make motion work for you. So we could click on optimize motion setting. Are there a step or a hill leading up to your door? I'm gonna put yes. Consider installing a mounting wedge behind your ring. Continue. Does your door face a street? Yeah. How far is the door from the street? Let's say 5 to... No. 15 to 30 feet. Your new motion setting have been saved. Continue. Or you customize the motion setting later on. It says the Ring video door is updating. We know you can't wait to try out your Doorbell 2, but please wait until the lights stop flashing. Continue. So there's all Ring, like whoever Ring, I guess. Someone is at your door. Let's see. Motion detection. And what's the other one? Start. When you start an event, it is listed here. Okay. Where's motion detect now? Oh, there you go. There is motion detect at your front door. Let's see. Allow Ring to record audio. Allow. Wow, nice pictures. Look at that. So I could talk to it. There's a speaker on and off. So I can hear them. Hello? So I'm going to say, who's there? Oh, why did I hang up? My bad. All right. I put a microphone mute real quick. All right, so right now I'm currently live. Turn the speaker off. So currently I'm with the live video right now with the ring. So I press the bell and then it give me a notification. So I click on it and then this is what it show right now. I'm going to talk to it and then check out the sound quality, okay? And I'll be walking away. Hello?
Hello?
I'm talking
I'm talking about away from the phone, my smartphone.
I heard
from the review, if you talk close, the speaker was muffled.
So
Hopefully right now it sounds fine.
Test.
Test it.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
So if you hit like a plus button right here and you hit it, you can share this ring neighborhood. That means whoever around your neighborhood can see if you catch a robber or whatever, or image of a robber or bad guys or whatever that you want to share with your neighborhood. Okay, I'm gonna exit out. Actually, the picture looks pretty crispy and stuff, so hopefully this is going to be a good unit. I'm going to test out different location and see which is the best angle. And hopefully I don't need to use wedges that they come with. They come with the two of these wedges. One for you to tilt the camera down, and then the other one is for tilting to left or right angle. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. This is just help you guys out on how to set up this app. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.